king. The former champion Stephen informed me he had encountered with the Bryans, and that he's moving the Skull Crystal somewhere safer.
I was informed they were searching for Brines once more. You encountered them?
Indeed. I fear of the tragedies that could take place soon. My experience with the Bryans during the First War left its memory.
Could I maybe come with you?
I'll think about it.
Really?
Yeah. Really.
I'll get ready now.
Wait, I'm not sure.
No, it's okay. Bring him with you. You should get to experience the outside world. Get some fresh air. Spend time with his father.